sneeze so much on my streams. Like, I'm not surprised if there's like a 30-minute long compilation of me sneezing. He wrote out every single sneeze I had, and he wrote down the time for every single sneeze. Sneezing ASMR equals that. I can't memorize. Excuse me. Wait. One moment. Excuse me.
So talented. A real virtuoso. Oh, I love listening to him play.
Speak for yourself.
Wait. Excuse me. I'm sorry. Wait 1 second. Is there a last one? Pentakill, thank you. Oh, here it comes. Triple kill. Sorry. Oh, excusez-moi. Excusez-moi. Quadra kill. Sorry. Oh, excuse me. Wait. Also. Triple kill. Sorry, excuse me. I'm sorry. Excuse me. You know what I should do? I'm gonna sneeze. Only 2 times. Double kill. Double kill this time. 1 second. Triple kill. Excuse me, I'm sorry. There's one more. Savage. Pentakill. Excuse me. This guy goes through the whole video and give you timestamps of everything, every single sneeze, every single like random singing.